Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Show me your friends, I will show you my friends. Last night, there was a eagle. My friends came through. It was an amazing birthday. Now, look at my friends. Look at my friends. Look at my friends. Look at my friends. Look at my friends, my friends. Thank you to each and every one of you, my friends, my friends, my friends, my friends, my friends. Look at my friends and look at my friends, my friends, my friends, my friends. And then this, abangani bami.
Somizi celebrated his lavish 49th birthday on Thursday, 23rd December, and wow, what a party it was. This is probably one of the biggest and lavish birthday parties to have ever been thrown in the country, I must say. All the invited guests were all dressed according to the theme, which is all about silky silver. The party was started as the guest list included celebrities such as Paul Tusi, Vusinova, Casper Nyovest, Mamkise, Judas Puma, Kelly Kumalo, and many more. Wow, you guys, Somizi certainly has rich friends. They gave him the most expensive gifts from Gucci, La Creuset, Louis Vuitton, Versace, and Cartier, to name a few. And of course, Sean Kize gifted him with a lot of money, you guys, and I mean a lot. I can only imagine what his 50th birthday will be like next year. Happy birthday, Somizi. Guys, please do not forget to comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.